Boss, give me something strong.
What you want for drink?
Campfire. On the rock.
You alright? Come. Me don't know if you drinking this on the rocks in now. I have chaser in the fridge.
Just make it strong. Give me a little bit of tracer.
What happened? Alright. Who this mail upon?
Kevin Armstrong. Patsy X.
Oh. So this are the mystery man. So where you get that information there from?
Get it from she.
So she just volunteered that information there, sir?
Well, I kind of demand it, you know. I realize the situation.
So what was the situation?
I'm a software developer.
Software developer.
My exact reaction when I hear it, bossy.
And I'm right name that?
And that name that she give me.
Send the picture to my phone.
Send here.
Alright. Wayne. Yeah man, all is well. We need to do a deep search for me. Yeah, me just send you the information. Bring up everything you have upon the name there. Whisper. You ever seen before?
I don't really remember, you know. But that face look kind of familiar. Maybe I want to idea them and I never really paying attention.
It's interesting though, you know. Because the last person who we thought of, who outside of the puzzle, turned out to be a software developer. Is that by coincidence?
Yeah, I wonder now.
You know, say yesterday Mr. Mullins said I must do a deep search for him. And him also put somebody in the equation where we never even think about.
Who that?
Numbers.
Nah, man. Numbers good, man. I think numbers are do not like that.
That a Chris attack. More you stop and think like Whisper.
Well, I'm not the business.
My reaction was just the same as yours. But when Mr. Mullins bring it to the forefront, I pause for your cause.
Yeah, but what would be numbers' motivation for do something like this?
This is Mr. Mullins' theory. Remember him did put with numbers already. And if Daily find him, consider the problems where to have put with you now.
So yeah, I say, numbers that take by out?
Money is the root of all evil, Whisper. We have to think like agents. Anybody at all can be compromised.
My brain now function upon that one start. It come like me don't know who for trust again.
Listen, we not say numbers, you know, but we have to put everybody upon the list as potential suspects.
More of us. But I have a strong feeling, say, other brother there.
Why you think so though? Is a gut feeling?
Hold it more than that in a bossy. She said him did a stalk her.
Stalker? Then a so far it did reach?
And that me I said to. And she not say nothing to me. You know what she said? The brother threatened to say my poison her mother.
Patsy I run joke. She never see it necessary for say this to you, realizing the line of work where you in her.
Bossy, she not tell me no. But I feel like she afraid of him.
That makes it even worse. She's supposed to say something to you. And you are gonna protect her, you know?
She tell me say she want to do this on her own. That's why she not say nothing to me.
Or she still have feelings for him. And she not make you know.
You know say just that makes sense. You see the lunch date when me and Vanessa go pan. Each year use against me, you know. And she get a picture of me and Vanessa pan the lunch date, you know.
What? But whisper you the next one. All of this are happening, you not say nothing to me? Or you not say nothing to we so we can back you up? You run joke. You forget the line of work where you do?
And the way how she make it look, you know, like she just have friend down there.
Listen to me. You are first an agent. You don't take nothing at all for granted.